Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Friday, November 17th. I have some fun new things to show you, but first we just have to brag for a minute. The plaque has come in, so we're super official. We did win Raleigh's Best for Best Specialty Store, and then we won third place in Raleigh's Best for Best Customer Service in the whole area. So thank you guys again so much for voting for us. I hope that you got to participate in our pre-cut sale. That was our celebration for our big win. So thank you for that. Next up, we have the Riley Blake February Bench Pillow Kit. And this one is really so adorable. Here it is made up by one of our staff members. You just can imagine that there's a pillow in there. And I love Riley Blake kits because the boxes are reusable. They have magnetic closures on them, and you always get way more fabric than you need. So that Riley Blake February Bench Pillow Kit is in the shop for you now. And then next up we have Honey Lavender. I'm going to start with a different piece because I want to open up that one. When designing fabric, Deb Strain loves bees, bee sayings, bee icons, and everything that goes along with them. This collection is inspired by the bees that love her lavender plants. Accents of lavender are scattered throughout the prints, adding a soft, fresh feel to the collection. I did want to open this piece up because this is a double border, which can be used for so many cool things like table runners or quilt borders or little girl dresses or pillowcases. So I love a double border because it just has so many options. And then we have these cute bees that have some kind of words behind them. I haven't looked at that one closely. Sweet as honey.
Kind words are like honey.
Yay. And then two really nice ginghams to go with that are a little larger than what we normally see. And I love this lavender color. It's very, very pretty. If you happen to be in our area this weekend, the downtown Cary Park will be opening on Sunday. And so that's about a mile, a little more than a mile that way. And it's an amazing, amazing park. My husband and I have been walking the dogs around and peeking in the fences for about a year. So if you're coming this way this weekend, be sure to take a stroll down to the downtown park and see what Cary has to offer besides great fabric. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.